Using Paste Special. The Paste Special feature within Microsoft Excel offers us a number of choices that we can use when copying or moving items from one section to another. For example, if I go to Monday and do a traditional copy, go to a new cell and do a traditional paste, you will see that it permitted me to paste both the value and the formatting. Now what if I wanted to paste the value, but I didn't want to paste the formatting? Here's where Paste Special function plays its role. One more time, I am going to do a straight copy. Now I will go to the cell where I want to paste it. Here I am going to go to the pull down under Paste. Under the Paste section, I will see the ability to paste formulas. I can do number formatting, I can adjust the value, I can also choose to paste it as a link and paste it as a picture and so forth. Notice that as I move to the values, it's actually showing me how it's going to appear on the screen itself. If you'd like a full in-depth listing, you can open the dialog box for Paste Special, and here I'll see values also. Now when I go ahead and I say OK, you see that I have taken in the value of Monday, but I did not bring in any of the additional formatting features. If I, one more time, go ahead and I do copy, go to a new cell, and now this time when I go to paste, I'm going to do a paste link. I could go to Paste Special, open the dialog box, and also get to the link that way too. I'm going to do a paste link, and you'll see this time it did not give me the formatting. If I change the cell to Tuesday, notice that these two cells are linked together. The concept with Paste Special is the ability to pick and select how we're going to work with all the information. There's one more feature with Paste Special also. I had my days going across the screen. Let's go back to our Tuesday and send it back to Monday again. This time, I would like to actually copy the days of the week, but I made a mistake. I did not want them going across the screen. I wanted them going up and down. This is a feature that we call transpose. I am, one more time, going to do a regular copy. Once again, I'm going to use the paste function. But first, I'm going to choose the destination. Where do I want to place the paste? I am again going to the pull down, and this time, I'll go back to the Paste Special dialog box. On the bottom of the screen on the right hand side, notice it says Transpose. I'm going to choose Transpose, say OK, and notice now that my list is going down in order of the rows themselves. That's the purpose of using the Transpose feature. It's great when you have your column set up in the wrong direction. There are quite a few purposes of the Paste Special.